What's up, everybody? I'm Ellie, your guide to all things Salesforce, and this is Salesforce Explained. It's a series where we talk Salesforce and technology without the jargon or buzzwords. All right, show of hands, how many of you checked your email today? Yeah, me too. Email is still one of the world's most popular ways to communicate, and today we're talking about email marketing, a tactic that's essential for companies large and small and everything in between. We're going to help you understand what email marketing is, why it's important for building relationships, and how you can succeed when emailing your customers and prospects. Here's a pro tip when you get started. When you need an email marketing solution, Salesforce's own Marketing Cloud has you covered. But let's start with the most important question. What is email marketing? Well, it's simple, really. Email marketing is when you use email to promote your business's products, services, and brand. Did you know, even in today's world of chatbots and messaging apps, email is still one of the top ways consumers like to interact with brands. Clearly, email marketing is something that companies should not be sleeping on. But that's also what makes it so tricky. Everybody's doing it. If you don't approach email marketing the right way, it's really easy to get lost in the shuffle and end up in your customers' spam folders. And that's a big no-no. But never fear, that's why I'm here. We're about to tell you how you can stand out from the email crowd. So let's get into it. All right, so what kind of emails work best for marketing? Like pretty much everything else we talk about here on Salesforce Explained, successful email marketing begins and ends with knowing your customers. You need to know what kind of emails your audiences will want to receive and what will make the biggest impact. And that boils down to two things: content and timing. What's the right message to send and when's the right time to send it? Let's look at the kinds of emails that your customers and prospects will want to see in their inboxes. First up, email newsletters. Newsletters are an excellent way to build a subscriber base and show them what your brand is all about. Email newsletters have been shown not only to increase customer loyalty, but also to drive brand engagement. A solid email newsletter offers a mix of thought leadership, how-to content, and new product and service announcements. In other words, take your best content, highlight it in a newsletter, and send it out to interested customers. Speaking of interested customers, here's a very important rule of thumb for email newsletters. Make sure your subscribers opt in first. Sending unsolicited messages is another big no-no, so you should only send newsletters to folks who want to see them. Next is my personal favorite, promotional emails. Why are promos my favorite? Because I like getting good deals. Seriously, who doesn't love a killer discount that just shows up in their inbox? But from a marketer's perspective, I love promotional emails because they lead to sales. When it comes to driving purchases, 50% of people buy from marketing emails at least once a month. Promotional emails are also great for new product or feature announcements and to drum up excitement and drive registrations for an upcoming event. Third is relational emails. As you might guess from the name, relational emails are designed to build relationships with prospects and customers. I'm talking about the kind of stuff that gets your audience up to speed with your brand, like blog articles, social updates, and subscriber welcomes. Timing is everything with relational emails. They're great for keeping your business top of mind for your customers, but be extra careful not to overdo it. When it comes to email, it can be easy to slide from relationship building into annoying people with spam. Finally, the last example I want to mention is transactional emails. These are direct responses to interactions customers or prospects have had with your brand. We're talking order confirmations, receipts, shipping notifications, and password reminders. You know, the important stuff that lets customers know they can trust your business because you're on top of all the details. Don't sleep on the opportunity to represent your brand voice and values in transactional emails. Adding some extra care and attention to what some people might consider mundane or boring emails like these actually signals a level of professionalism and trust that your customers will love to see. So go ahead, get creative. All right, we've covered the key types of marketing emails you'll be sending to prospects and customers. But how do you actually do it? What do you say? When do you send? Basically, how do you make the marketing magic happen? Let's talk about how to successfully email customers and how Salesforce helps. There are 4 key elements to email marketing: segmentation, personalization, automation, and deliverability. And guess what? You can take care of all 4 parts with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Let's talk segmentation first. Segmentation means splitting your contact list into smaller groups so you can control who gets specific emails at different times. You can segment by identifiers like age, location, interests, and even purchase history. For example, if someone buys a bag of dog food from your site, you can put them into a segmented list that gets regular updates about your other pet products. Having all that profile data available makes it much easier to segment your subscribers to reach your ideal audiences with great emails, which helps marketers stay more productive. One of the best ways to create segmented lists is by using lead scoring in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Lead scoring makes it simple to send targeted emails to the hottest leads or the ones that need the most love. Up next, personalization. Personalization gives you a unique opportunity to develop deeper relationships with customers and prospects. The key to personalizing emails is to include information that's relevant to the reader, like calling customers by their name or including recommendations based on their past interactions with your brand. Personalized emails can help you create customer journeys tailor-made for specific customers and their industries. That means emails that feel less like a sales pitch and more like a conversation. I know you're thinking, that sounds like a lot of work, but it doesn't have to be. With the right email platform, one that collects all of your sales, service, and marketing data in one single source of truth, powered by AI, you can let automation do all the heavy lifting. Automated email tools segment audiences according to your criteria and automatically send the right emails when customers take specific actions. That means your business will send targeted emails that deliver meaningful, personalized content to your contacts without you even having to click send. Integrating Marketing Cloud with sales and service lets you build a complete picture of your customers and deliver automated emails that are relevant and effective. Finally, let's talk about email deliverability. Deliverability. Try saying that 10 times fast. It's just a fancy term describing how likely your emails are to reach their intended recipients. Yeah, that might sound simple, but hear me out. If the best marketing email ever created never reaches its audience, how's it going to drive sales? Deliverability means making sure the emails you send don't bounce back and don't wind up in your customers' spam folders either. Salesforce makes it easy to test deliverability and configure your marketing tools so your audience never misses out on the digital bundles of joy that are your emails. Like I said earlier, it's not easy to stand out in a world full of email. So let's wrap up with 3 parting tips to make your emails really stand out in your prospects' inboxes. Number 1, lean into personalization. Generic emails are so impersonal. We all just want to be understood, right? And customers want content that's tailored to them. Giving the people what they want when they need it really is the secret sauce of email marketing, especially when you're marketing to a potential customer. The more you can create personalized touch points, the more they're going to engage. Not sure what your prospects want? No worries. Just take some time to figure it out with A/B testing. That's where you trial a couple of different options for your email content on a small sample of your audience. The best performing content wins and gets sent to the rest of your distribution list. You can get really detailed with your testing too. Even changing the color of a buy now button could make all the difference, so don't be afraid to experiment. Number 2, get interactive. Interactive! An interactive email includes web-like functionality directly in the message itself. Way more engaging than a basic static email, right? In fact, incorporating interactive and visual elements in your emails can lead to huge increases in clicks. Try out different elements like purchase buttons, a rotating image carousel, and even form fills in the body of an email. Salesforce has everything you need to create beautiful, sophisticated emails with interactive elements and responsive designs. And third, choose an email platform that's right for your business. A great email marketing tool gives you the power to run email campaigns start to finish and analyze the results to make the next campaign even better. If you'd like to learn how to choose the right email tool for your business, search for the Salesforce Ultimate Guide to Email Marketing. Or better yet, check out Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Now that we've covered the basics, I know what you're thinking. Ellie, where can I learn more about email marketing? Well, you have lots of options. Check out the Ultimate Guide to Email Marketing I just mentioned, or you can always check out Trailhead for hands-on learning. And there you have it. You're on your way to being an email marketing expert. And I will see you next time.